Creating a company domain email is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, decide on a domain name for your company email addresses. This should ideally match your company name or be closely related to it. For example, if your company is called Example Corp, you might choose example.com as your domain name. Register your chosen domain name through a domain registrar. There are many domain registrars available, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, and others. Follow the registrar's instructions to complete the registration process and purchase the domain. Choose an email hosting provider that offers business email services. Some popular options include Google Workspace, previously known as G Suite, Microsoft 365, previously known as Office 365, Zoho Mail, Rackspace Email, and others. Compare features, pricing, and reviews to select the best provider for your needs. Sign up for an email hosting plan with your chosen provider. Depending on the provider, you may have options for different plans based on the number of email accounts, storage space, and additional features. After purchasing the domain name and signing up for an email hosting plan, you will need to verify that you own the domain. This typically involves adding a verification code or TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Follow the instructions provided by your email hosting provider to complete the verification process. Once your domain ownership is verified, you can start setting up email accounts for your company. Log into your email hosting provider's admin console or control panel and follow the instructions to create new email addresses for your employees or team members. You will typically need to choose the username, for example, John for John Doe, and assign a password for each email account. Configure email clients such as Microsoft Outlook, Apple Mail, or Mozilla Thunderbird to access your company domain email accounts. You will need to enter the email address, password, incoming mail server, and outgoing mail server settings provided by your email hosting provider. Test the newly created email accounts to ensure they are functioning correctly. Send test emails. Check for incoming messages and verify that outgoing emails are delivered successfully.